Hello friends, welcome back to our brand identity course. In this video, we will continue with the tools in the toolbar panel. Please like, share and hit the subscribe button because this is going to help me create more videos like this. The first tool in the selection tool, as we learned in our Photoshop for brand identity design, is the selection tool. The selection tool allows you to select, move, resize and transform objects. Click on any object to select it. The selected object will show a bounding box and an anchor point around it. Hold Shift and click additional objects to select them together. Click and drag to draw a rectangle around objects to select them. The next tool is the direct selection tool. It allows you to manipulate individual anchor points, path segments, and handles, which offers you precise control over vector shapes and objects. Locate and click the white arrow icon in the toolbar or press A on your keyboard. Let us look how to use the direct selection tool. The first one is selecting point and path segments. Click on any anchor point on a shape to select it. You will see that the selected points appear solid while the unselected points are hollow. Now drag the point to move it. For the path segment, click directly on the path to select the segment. Drag to reposition the selected segment. For adjusting handles for curves, select an anchor point on a curved path. Drag the direction handles, the line extending from the point, to reshape the curve. You can also use the Shift key to constrain the handles movement to a specific angle. Before we move to another tool, let us modify a shape or a curve. Now select a rectangle shape. Use the direct selection tool to click and drag one corner anchor point, transforming the rectangle into a new custom shape. Now select a curved path. Drag the handles to make the curve smoother or sharper. Excellent. You can now use the direct selection tool. Let us move to the pen tool and the anchor point tool. We have covered the pen tool in our Photoshop for brand identity design course. They work similarly. Once you learn one design tool, you will definitely find it easier to learn other tools. All what you need to do is click the pen tool icon, represented by a pen nib, or press P on your keyboard. Use the pen tool to draw custom shapes by combining straight and curved segments. Now fill the shape with a color or gradient for a polished design. Then click the direct selection tool to adjust the anchor point and refine the shape. For you to modify path, look on the menu bar. You will find the add anchor points, the delete anchor points, and the convert point. Use the anchor point tool under the pen tool to add point to an existing path. You can use the delete anchor point tool to remove unnecessary points. You can also use the anchor point to convert smooth point into a corner point. Lastly, let us look at the anchor point tool itself. The anchor point tool allows you to convert anchor points between corners and smooth points and adjust direct handles to fine-tune curves and angles. What you need to do is click and hold the pen tool to review the anchor point tool, or press Shift plus C on your keyboard. Now draw a simple star using the star tool. Select the anchor point tool and convert the sharp corner into a smooth curve by clicking and dragging the anchor point. You can also adjust the curve's depth by dragging the handles. Another thing you can do is you can also convert a smooth point back to a corner by clicking it. If you find this video valuable, please like, share and hit the subscribe button. This will help me create more videos like this. See you in the next video.